What's going on? If you own a power washing company or are thinking about starting one, then you are in the right place. Today, what I actually want to cover is AI. Is AI going to wash houses for you? Obviously not. Maybe in the future, but not right now. However, you can use AI to help with some of the other things in the business. And this is something I've been looking at a little bit. We've actually talked a little bit about this in our community, but basically using AI for things like creating images for marketing or creating emails to send out to your customer list, creating ads. All of those things are relevant ways to use AI at this time. Now, don't know that I 100% agree with AI. However, there are some pretty cool points to be made. Recently, I made a picture basically showing before and after of a dirty and a clean house that is very eye-catching. I'll show that right here from AI. AI made this picture, right? And it took me a couple minutes to prompt it correctly to get it like this. Obviously, it looks a little animated. However, that picture is very eye-catching, right? We're not saying that, hey, look what we did, look what we cleaned. We're saying, hey, homeowner, we can clean your house, right? The whole purpose of that picture is to actually hook their attention, get them to read our ad, and then hopefully take action, right? So in utilizing it that way, it's okay that it looks a little animated because it really shows that contrast, right? It's the contrast of dirty to clean, and it shows it very well when it's an AI generated image like that. So just something to think about when you're trying to, create ads or images for your marketing. It's a tool that you could use to better do that and to depict and show that dramatic difference between a dirty and clean house, and which we can actually do. Obviously, it's a little harder to actually picture that sometimes, especially if you're just starting, you don't have the money to hire a professional photographer and videographer to come out on the job site and do those things, right? So just something to consider. I want to make this quick video. Hopefully this is helpful. If it was, please do subscribe. We'll be bringing more videos to you that are designed to help you grow, scale, or start your power washing business in the right steps. Now, if you don't know me, just a little FYI, my name's Caden. I started a power washing business at the age of 18, grew it, and sold it. So that's why I make these videos, is to help you hopefully do the same or get to whatever success looks like for you, whatever that may be. Either way, thank you. See you in the next one.